In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Pinterest mobile account. By the end, you'll have a brand new account ready to explore and save ideas right from your phone. First, open Pinterest on your phone. You can launch the Pinterest app if you already have it, or visit pinterest.com in your mobile browser. You'll land on the sign up screen where you can start creating your account. Next, tap the email address field. Type in the email you want to use for this account, making sure it's one you can access easily. Double check for typos. Small mistakes here can block you from getting important messages later. After entering your email, tap Continue. Pinterest will move you to the next screen and begin setting up your profile basics. Now create your password, then tap Next. Choose a strong password that's at least 8 characters and includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using anything easy to guess. If you use a password manager, this is a great time to generate and save a secure password so you won't forget it. On the following screen, type your full name and tap Next. This is the name that appears on your profile. You can use your real name, a nickname, or a brand name. Whatever helps people recognize your account and what you share. Next, choose your birth date and tap OK, then tap Next. Pinterest asks for this to confirm eligibility and tailor your experience appropriately. Immediately after, choose your gender. Pick the option that best fits you. This helps Pinterest personalize your recommendations and profile details. Now select your country and tap Next. This setting helps Pinterest show you more relevant content, trends, and language options. You'll then be prompted to choose a mood. Think of this as the overall vibe or interests you want to see. Select the options that reflect what you're into right now. This step fine-tunes your home feed so your recommendations are useful and inspiring from day one. Once you've made your picks, tap Next to confirm. That's it. Your Pinterest mobile account is created. From here, you can start browsing your personalized feed, search for ideas, and save pins to boards. If you want to keep things organized, consider creating boards by theme, like home decor, recipes, or travel, so everything you save has a clear place to live. And remember, you can always adjust your interests, country, or profile details later in settings if your preferences change. Thanks for following along. Enjoy exploring Pinterest and discovering ideas that match your style.